nothing ever stays the same. Once you let it change. Hey, let it think, let it think. Hey, let it think, let it think, let it think.
Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we will cook this super delicious and easy to cook shrimp and broccoli. You will surely love this, so let's begin. The ingredients that we need are First, let's add some oil to our preheated frying pan. Then, sauté the onion. Followed by our garlic. Sauté it well. Then add the shrimp. Put salt and pepper. Then add the steamed broccoli, followed by the oyster sauce. Stir it a bit, then add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. Now add 2 teaspoonfuls of hot pepper paste. Then stir it well for about 2 to 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, we can now transfer it to our serving plate. And that's it. Super easy, right? The mixture of the oyster sauce and black pepper paste is perfect. Serve it while it's warm and enjoy. That's it for today. As always, thank you for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more easy cooking ideas.